What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today I'm gonna take you up to Barrow, Alaska to the Arctic Ocean, so let's go. Welcome to Truck House Life, baby. All right, we're all packed up. The parakeets are in their happy place, and we're going to Barrow, Alaska. I've got to go do a little bit of work up there. And for those of you guys that don't know, I help run a driver's ed school and do road testing for driver's licenses for a living. Hopefully I'm saying it right, but I'm flying up to the village of Utqiaġvik, which is Barrow, Alaska, and we're gonna go administer some road tests and try to help people get their driver's licenses. So let's go. And for those of you guys that haven't seen this, this is my 1987 Suzuki Samurai, my project car. It's been pretty fun. I pretty much got it run into, well, I said that. Oh boy. Come on, baby. You know you want to. Well, I did have it running well. Well, that's not good. Maybe we're not going to Barrow. This is really weird. It was working fine yesterday. So you guys probably know about the truck house. That is my, my truck cabin on wheels. That's in the shop right now, getting some front springs on, so I don't have that. So I've got the Samurai, which is supposed to be my reliable car. And I smell fuel right now. But I left my ignition switch on for like 5 minutes, so maybe they did something weird. I'm gonna give one last go. I'm gonna get to the airport and make this plane. If this doesn't work, I'm taking the old trusty $600 Toyota Camry over there, so. Super weird. I have no idea what's going on. I don't have time for it. I'm gonna catch the plane. Anyway, let's go to Barrow. Good God. Obviously, we're moving now. We're heading from Girdwood to Anchorage, where I'm gonna get on a plane and fly up to Barrow. And the old $600 Corolla fired right up and is moving right along. It's like the best $600 I've ever spent on a car. This thing is starts every time. I put 50,000 miles on it. Hasn't had a single problem. All-wheel drive. They're pretty sweet. Some of you guys might know it already, but for about 15 years, I've been teaching driver's education and running a drive-in school in Anchorage. One of the cool benefits of my job is being able to fly out to these remote villages in Alaska and administer road tests. So actually test people's driving skills to see if they'd be good enough to drive in the city with people. The cool part is it allows them to get their driver's license. It's actually kind of essential out there because even though there's not a ton of roads, a lot of the organizations like ConocoPhillips and BP, they require a driver's license to work for their companies in these villages. So it's just a way I can give back and help them out. Right now we're stopped in the side of the Seward Highway, waiting on some road construction. Get turning an arm out here. Beautiful day out to fly. We're here, Anchorage Airport. Let's go. If you guys never seen these Toyota all-tracs, pretty sweet little rides. Don't look like it, but they're fun. So like I was saying, one of the cool parts of this job is being able to travel to these small villages that I wouldn't see otherwise because they're fortunate to fly out to. But the reason I'm being flown out to do this is because there's no DMV in the small village, so there's no one to give a driving test, so it's impossible for these guys to get their license unless they fly someone in from the outside. And it's kind of a cool job because I'm not only working and making a living, but I'm actually going out and helping people, so that feels good. just made it to Barrow. Thought this would be a good time to go around and just kind of check some stuff out. A bowhead whale skull. Pretty cool. And I've gotten to try Utqiaġvik a couple times, which is the whale back there, and it's interesting. The community goes, they'll get at least one whale every year, which is pretty cool, and share it between the community. We're gonna walk across the street up here and check out the Arctic Ocean. So it's right here in front of us, pretty nuts. Top of Alaska. And then tomorrow when I wake up, I'm gonna be giving drivers road test. Meeting people in this building here. Just going around the city, which is back that way. This is kind of way out in the outskirts of the city. Looks warm, but it's still pretty cold right now for mid-April. Can't feel my ears. And that's where we're gonna parallel park tomorrow, right there in those cones. I guess this is like the beach road that we're on right now. You can see the tire prints. Looks like people still kind of drive on it in the winter. Right in front of us is the Arctic Ocean. It is super cold out right now. It's beautiful though. The last time I was out here, there were seals hanging out just 50 feet off the shore. So you can tell this is the shore right here. So I'm not gonna go through so I don't break through, but get the picture. Pretty cool. So when I get to the college, I get a list of the people taking the test tomorrow, and there's actually a lot of people. There's probably, I think, 21 people that are taking their test for their driver's license with me tomorrow and the next day. So going to be a fairly busy day. Hopefully everyone can make it, and hopefully all goes well. This is a beautiful day. You couldn't ask for better weather. I've been here in the past and been stranded for, I think, 5 or 6 days just because the fog settles in, because you're right here in the Arctic Ocean. So the weather gets crazy pretty quick. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to the hotel room and relax. And tomorrow we'll take you guys down to the grocery store, and you're gonna see the craziest prices you've ever seen in your life anywhere for groceries. But it'd be pretty interesting, so stay tuned for that. Here's my humble abode, by the way. Simple as it gets. Couple twin beds. Luckily, it's a college, so I've got a desk to work at, so I'm gonna get to some editing that I've been needing to do for a while, so see you guys in the morning. We're heading down the road right now to one of the oldest restaurants in Barrow, Salmon Lee's, so we're gonna get some Chinese food for lunch really quick. It's been a really successful day. A lot of people have been making it, passing their driving test today, which is awesome. Be able to help the village out. So I'm going to take you guys to the most expensive grocery store in North America. There might be more expensive ones, but this one's up there. Let's go check it out. This is the Utqiaġvik. This is the most expensive grocery store in North America. Let's go check it out. It's pretty crazy. You won't see prices like that anywhere else. Here is the world famous Salmon Lee's restaurant. I'm gonna go get my sweet and sour chicken up out of here. If you ever find yourself in Barrow, Alaska, there's not a ton of places to eat, but Salmon Lee's is one of the staples here. They've been around for a really long time, and I don't know, their food's about as decent as it gets out in these parts, so that's where we're going. Good morning, everybody. This is the final day we're here in Barrow, so I'm gonna go fire up the driver's ed car and go finish up the road test and flying home. For the record here, it's negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit in the middle of April, which is insane. We're gonna go across the street, and I did a lot of road tests yesterday. I did 20 road tests. Most everyone was able to pass their road test yesterday and get their driver's license, so that was awesome. So I've got 10 more people to do today, and then I'm flying back to Girdwood. Let's go finish these road tests up. Sounds funny, but there's the Wells Fargo. You know what's really funny too is I'm just passing by this little milepost sign marker, and the town that my mom's from, New Bedford's on there. Pretty ironic, because there's only like 4 or 5 cities on that thing. Arctic Ocean's right out there in front of you. Anyway, guys, it's been a super successful trip, and a lot of people got their licenses. I was able to help a lot of people out. I know this video is a little bit different, but I still wanted to share the experience with you guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, smash that like button down there and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of my content. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace, y'all.